this one. We're just going to start with a fresh start here.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today, we're going to be continuing the series. Day trading. $10 into $10,000. Dude, Happy New Year. My favorite person. So we're going to take a look at the markets before we just jump into this. Because I was thinking that on the 30-minute time frame, which technically this has been a downtrend on the 30-minute time frame on a perpetually overheated market. So if we start to lose a little bit of steam here at this yellow line, we might hop in. I need to make sure that we're live right now on YouTube. Are we live on YouTube? Does anybody know if we're live on YouTube? What do you think about XRP will go to and win? Win Moon, bro. I think XRP is going to go to $1.11 pretty relatively soon. Are we live? Are we live right now? Yeah. All right, looks like we're live. Cool. Dope. Just want to make sure. All right, so here's an update on the account. We are at $480. $480.35. We started with $10. Nick says hi. What up, bro? On Twitch. Happy New Year to everybody. You made $100 in a day. Your boy was grinding. ICP. What do you think about ICP? You think you can hit 200 to 300 by the end of the 2025? It's possible. All right, so let's take a look at the markets. Let me do an overall analysis because I haven't even done this yet. We're still up. So let's take a look on the daily, and then we're going to zoom in from there. Let's look at Bitcoin, see if there's anything different. I don't suspect that there anything is. Thank you for the follow. Yun, Billy, thank you guys for the follows, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
So we're sitting at 42,700. We're in full-on bullish posture technically on the daily, but this is about to cross, and we could easily come back here and back test this at 41.9. So yeah, Bitcoin's kind of mid on the daily. Whoops, damn it! I hate it when I do that. It's kind of mid on the daily. On the 5 hour, because we're probably going to be looking to get into Caspa again, because I still think that it's overheated. We're going to be wait patiently for our spots. We were shorting Caspa all night last night, and we made $100. How much do I earn if I invest $100 in Bitcoin, increasing by 5% leverage to be 50x? How much do I earn if I invest $100 on Bitcoin and increase by 5%? Like, are you going long? Or are you going short? Yeah. Bitcoin looks like it's about to make a decision here. All right, let's look at Caspa. Before I just jump into a trade here. Caspa's slightly up on the day right now. The past 3 hours, the buyers or the sellers are still in control. I was basically riding all of this yesterday. All of this. And then technically you could count this as not even a, because this could be the higher or the lower high right here. So this is looking really, really, really weak to me. And that was my thesis yesterday. That was my thesis like a week ago. Caspa looks really, really weak to me. And so we're going to be looking for opportunities to short that, ride the price action to the downside. So let's hop into here to BingX. Okay, so we're actually getting pretty close to our spot here. Let's pull up on the 30-minute here. So we could be making a little touch here. This has got a little bit of momentum on it, though. Can Shiba touch 1 cent? No. Absolutely not. For example, long. I mean, it just depends if you're right or you're wrong. Happy New Year. Can you do BenQ? Those type of so Shiba's the worst coin. It's not the worst coin. It's just like the amount of market cap it would take to move it that way is crazy. Like it would cost the entire market cap of almost everything on Earth to be able to be 1 cent. I don't mind this spot here. We're not going to try to catch the top. I don't mind this spot here. We don't have any trades open. We're going to move our leverage down a little bit, though. Especially trying to catch the top here. Whoops. We're going to do 20x leverage today. What does leverage mean? It just means that I am so I'm on 20x leverage. If I bet $1,000 times 20, that would be $20,000 per bet. Look up File Studio steering wheel. All right, so where are we at here? This is 11.36. We're now touching 11. Oh, okay, so 11.45. We could definitely touch this. Now, what I want to see, though, what I would like to see is this get rejected here. We don't want to go above that. So we're actually getting pretty close here. Pretty close. So we're going to look at about 11.35, which we're pretty much there. 11.35. So we're gonna do 50, and then we're gonna keep our stop losses pretty tight today. We're gonna make this 60. Pretty tight today. Because this is not we got a terrible spot there. That's okay. Alright, so we're in this trade right now. And that's our stop loss. I'm actually going to move that a little bit, just to there. Just to there. All right, so we're shorting Caspa right now. It says what? Is it possible XRP going at 1K in a couple years? No. I have a $5.14 target price for XRP. What platform are you trading on? I'm trading on BingX. BingX. I have a tutorial on how to set this up. We're gonna move this a little, give it a little bit of wiggle room here. love our entry here. What do you think cash will reach from the dump? 7 cent. Ultimately, I think that Caspa's coming to 7 cent, and I'm trying to catch that. Casp will take your stop loss. We'll see. I made $100 yesterday on the micro account, which I started with $10. You see what it is, $4.79. I made $100 yesterday shorting it. If it takes it, it takes it. That's why it's there. It's there to get taken. We started with $10 and we were at $479. What will be the TP level? If you guys want to copy me, not that you should, but I set up copy trading on here. No, I don't recommend you do that, but you can if you want to. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a professional trader. I'm an investor. But so far we have turned $10 into $475. I have a $5 to a $14 11 XRP target. 7 years maybe. What crypto is this? This is Caspa. We were shorting it all yesterday, and we made over $100 on the micro account. On the micro account, so we've traded $10 into $477. Almost a, what is that? A 47x. Happy New Year, everybody. What's a good buy on TRB, man? It seems like VCs are gonna pump this thing this cycle. I'm not really that familiar with TRB, to be honest with you. What's your cast target at the end of the bull run? It depends on how low it goes. Like I could pull a new Fibonacci. I could pull a new Fibonacci once I see how low this is actually going to go on a bigger time frame. Right? So like I think it's going to go to 7 cents. And it could go as low as 4.8 cents. But depending on how low it goes is what my target would be. So if it were to go to, let's say it goes to 5.8 cents, I think that's probably pretty reasonable. My target would be about 42 cents. It just depends on how low it goes, on where I think that the actual bull run is going to go. Hello, my friend. I want to know, can you teach? Yeah, I have a full course on my Patreon. $9.99. It comes with 18 hours of lessons, and I upload every single week. Do you offer a learning course? Yes, on my Patreon. Patreon.com/yaboyski. By the way, guys, apparently there's a lot of scammers who impersonate me. This is my one and only TikTok account. I will never message you first and tell you that I have this algorithm or this copy. Like, I don't have it. I don't believe in it. I don't have it. Those are scammers. Please report them. What are we looking at? The merch is blocking it. Is it? My bad. This is Cass. We'll put this over here. Where did my Twitch go? Where'd my Twitch chat go? Oh, there we are. Goodbye level for render. What do you trade on, bro? I'm trading on BingX right now. What's the ticker? KAS. KAS. USA available. It is. You have to set up a VPN. I have my pinned video shows you how to set it up in the United States. So we're shorting it right now. I'm very, very bullish on the technology of HBAR. I'm not as bullish on the price. BingX. The link is in my bio if you want to use my code. Is it a step-by-step guide? Yes. Every single week I upload. Do you think ETF is sell the news? Yes, I do. Sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. First 2024 trade. We're short. We got some followers just flowing in here. So we got Ash. I'm not sure what your name is. God is good. Randall. Shash. Shiu. Helping Hands. Thank you guys for the follows, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Elvis, Ya Auntie, Ash, Vel. Thanks for the follows, you savages. All right, so we're short right now. We're currently up 4%. We're looking to get, we'll probably take a little bit of profit here. See if we can get below this action. What's the reason for shorting? Because Caspa is very, very overheated in my opinion on the bigger time frame. Very, very overheated. What about Farm? What about it? How much do you think Caspa will get to? Eventually, it's going to go to about 7 cents. I don't know if it's going to be today, next week. I don't know. But eventually, it's going to. Adrian, thank you for the heart, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Are we live on YouTube right now? Has anyone seen... All right, we're about to be up... We'll do price prediction videos again. I'm sure a lot changes since you did them last. Yeah, I kind of do those on Sundays. Those are like the hangout live streams on Sundays. Bro, I was looking at charts last night. We could have a lot of downside sideways till summer. I think so. Don't have CAS on Binance. It's on BingX. Link is in bio for BingX. Hello, bro. Hello. So we got some new followers. User 317 Phil AI. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name. Rad Bro. Adrian, thank you guys for the follows, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What do you think of Mexi? Mexi is solid. For what I'm doing, though, for my purposes, BingX is much better because I'm doing a micro account and BingX doesn't force you to trade a certain amount. And it also allows you to trail your stops, which I'm about to take 25%. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. Like, I can trail my stops and I can trail my take profits without having to bet so much, which I don't like. Hello from Australia. Aussie in the house. Bitcoin should buy or sell. If you're holding for the long term, it's fine to buy. What do you think of the ETF? I think it will mark the top of the rally. What symbol are we looking at? We're looking at CAS. CAS take profit for this trade. Yeah, I just took 25%. We're going to see if we get a little bit of a breakage to the downside here. A little bit of breakage. New trade. Yeah, we opened this at the beginning of the live stream. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitch. We're trying to get partnered up over there. We need like 20 more followers. So make sure you guys are following me over there as well. Germany in the house. Let me know where you guys are streaming your viewing pleasures from. And let me know, out of 10, how is the new year starting off for you today? What platform are you using? I'm using BingX. BINGX. The link is in my bio. Germany, England. From Ireland. Taiwan here. Norway. We got people from all places. Abel says 4. Do you think the bull run will last into 2025? I do. Maybe into early 2026. I'm from India. India in the house. UK. Scotland. Romania. Ethiopia. Croatia. New Jersey. Thailand. Afghanistan. Belgium. Italy. Australia. What advice would you give someone just starting off? Take a journal and, you know, like stay clear of YouTube trading where they give you like this one pattern, this one indicator. Like that stuff doesn't really work. If it worked, you would be able to automate it with an algorithm. So stay kind of clear of those guys. There's a lot of scammers. The best thing to do is just take a journal and write down how you feel about each and every trade. Like I have a journal right here, and I literally just take notes on how the day went. And either start with a paper account or maybe like a $10 account like I'm doing. Also, I recommend you go to patreon.com/yourboyski. I have 18 hours of lessons over there. Denzel. Kenya. Alex, Chin. Theo. Lyle. Thank you guys for the follows, you savage. Jordy. Saudi Arabia in the house. How's everybody's day out of 10 going? Thoughts on ICP? I think ICP is solid. Want to be my boyfriend? I'm happily married. Do you stream often? I have a question along the way. Yeah. For sure. Like, if you subscribe to the Patreon, you get access to my private Discord where you'll be able to message me. But I will be live streaming this challenge Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll be live on Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, all at the same time. We're going to be uploading videos, daily market news analysis videos, Monday through Friday. Jay, what up, bro? Or just invest and not trade. Invest is key. Yeah, I agree. What is CAS, brother? It's like Bitcoin. It's proof of work. Do you trade in each live? The Monday, Wednesday, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That will be day trading. The day trading challenge, $10 to $10,000. Sunday, we're not going to be trading. It's just going to be a hangout session, just answering questions, just whatever, like wherever you guys want to take it on Sundays. Greetings from Northern Maranus. Greetings. Can you help me? I really lost. Yes, I have a full course on my Patreon. Patreon.com/yourboyski. Link is in my description. I have 18 hours of lessons over there. I'm not a candlestick pattern trader. I'm just doing price action. I don't really believe in patterns, to be honest. I never went above 20x leverage. Bitcoin. What about Bitcoin? So we're currently at $486. We started with $10. Are you giving signals? I'd rather teach you how to fish. I put out on my Discord anytime I buy or sell. But that's not really what I do, though. How long did it take you to turn $10 into nearly $500? About 90 days-ish. But about actually like 30 days of grinding. For billing address, what do I do? What are you talking about? For what? Can you look at numeral? We do those on those type of live streams are on Sunday, Jays. Or those live streams are on Sundays, Jay. This is the what about challenge? Yeah, we're doing $10 to $10,000 challenge. We're out at a $486 trading right now. Is Bitcoin going up in H4? H4. What do you mean by H4? In 2025, Bitcoin will be somewhere between 135,000 and 207,000. What are we doing today? So Monday, so here's the schedule, Jay. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, we're live streaming the challenge, trading $10 to $10,000. Sunday is the normally scheduled program of that everyone knows and loves. And then maybe Saturdays as well. Monday through Friday, I will be uploading a video, not a live stream, of daily market news analysis. How much is it now? $4.85. We started with $10. Usually at work now. So that's going to be the general schedule for 2024. Oh, you're saying the 4 hour? Yeah, we're trading CAS right now. What are you trading on? BingX. We're trading on BingX. How many hours a day will you be trading? Like a couple, 2 or 3. How many days or do you start it when the live starts? Yeah, just like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I trade a little bit off stream as well, but the majority of the trading is on stream. The yellow target, those are just like where I put other things. Like I've been trading this pretty much all night, really. The market down today? Yeah, that's why we're shorting it. You can make money if the market goes up or if it goes down. I'm currently shorting it. Do you expect moves today? I don't know about today, but overall, Casper is very overheated in my opinion, and it's going to come back here to about 7 cents. So I'm scalping Casper, and I'm trying to catch this ride down here. That's the general strategy. It says I'm long. What's your strat? There, I just told you. I'm a value trader, basically, something that's very undervalued or overvalued, and I scalp it and I try to catch the bigger move at the end. I take profit, and then the last little 20%, I move my stop losses down, which we're going to do now. We're going to move it to right about at profit. We move stop losses down, take profit, and the last 25%, we swing for the fence. You made 460. No, that's about 30 days. Well, thank you for subscribing, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
Cat to the moon. Hey, bro, tell me why it says trade on MetaTrade. I don't know. Crypto. Helium Mobile. Will Caspa fall even more? That's what I think. What X do you trade? 20X. I'm trading Caspa. Currently, we are short on Caspa. We've taken profits. I think we've taken 30% or 25%. Which pair are you trading? Caspa, USDT. Will Caspa fall more? I think so. How you search the overheated coins? Just technical analysis. Like if you want to know how to find them, go on Twitter and see like what your favorite creator is saying that it's about to go. It's pumping up higher and higher, and everyone's talking about it. That's a good place to start. I made a lot of money on shorting Bonk over the last few days by doing that same thing. I mean, it's just overheated. Like, it's just like, it's very, like, it went parabolic. It went to the maximum parabolic. Nothing goes up in a straight line forever. And there's a huge gap right here. This is going to get filled out sooner or later. So I'm scalping this on the way down, and I'm trying to catch this bigger move. And a good Twitter account would be, you have to set up your Twitter in a way that it notifies you about, like, your feed is all about crypto. Exit Matrix, thank you for the money gun. And Apple 80, thanks for the rose, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't mind our spot right now. Can you take a look at Trias? Not right now. We're trading right now. What are the things you look at when day trading? Just price action, really. Just price action. Realistically, I zoom out on a bigger time frame and I look at value, whether something is either undervalued or overvalued. If it's undervalued, then I'll look to go long and scalp long and try to go with the bigger move. And if it's overvalued, like Caspa, I'm scalping short and I look for the bigger move at the end. That's sort of the strategy. But mainly just price action. A governance token. Taking profit, including gas. Yeah, I mean, it's futures. Like, the margins are really, really low. Duke Nukem. TRB short. Which, how much money are you trading? It says $1,200 right now. $1,276. So the account right now is $486. We started with $10 and we've traded it up to $406. $486. How much taxes do you have to pay on that? 20% on profit, net profit. Is this Forex or crypto? This is crypto. We are trading CAS, K-A-S. Can you trade in my account one day? Listen, I don't recommend this, but you can copy me. I've set up copy trading. I'll show you. I don't recommend you copying me. Where's the leaderboard here? Where am I? There you go. I don't recommend you copying me, but you can. I set it up. I'm not a professional trader. I'm an investor. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give you financial advice. I don't even recommend you do it, but you can if you wanted to. If you wanted to, that's how you would do it. But I can't advise you to do that. Next Bitcoin? There is no next Bitcoin. What if you don't pay taxes? How will they know? Good question. I do not have a Telegram group. If someone tells you I have a Telegram group, they are a scammer. I have a Discord, and the link is in my description. Would you say your subscribers are consistently profitable? Asking respectfully. Yeah. I would say so. Are you going to reach $10 USD today? I mean, we're at $486 today. We started with $10. What are we trading on? We're trading on BingX. Recommend a low coin that is profitable to me, please, in need. My top 5 low market cap coins are DNX, Delta November X-Ray, Sauce, Chia, Flux, Ergo. Dent is a bonus. There you go. Those are my top low market caps. I'm trying to think if I missed one. I don't think so. James, thanks for subscribing on YouTube, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Can I still go short on this cryptocurrency? You can do whatever you like, my man. I can't tell you what you should do or shouldn't do. We're a little, I don't know. We're down 7%. It could easily come up and take all of this out. We've taken profit multiple times here. How long did it take you to profit $400 from $10 buy-in? About 30 days of grinding. It took me like actually 90 days, but I wasn't really grinding on it for 90 days. I started actually grinding on it about 30 days ago. What site is this? This is BingX. Did you make $10 into 468 with just Caspa? No. I was trading Bonk, ICP, Solana. Those are the main ones. Hey, make sure you guys are following me on Twitch. We're trying to get affiliated over there as well. So if you have a Twitch, I think we're at like 30 followers over there. We need 50 to get affiliated with Twitch. So if you don't mind, head over there. Yaboyski, YABOYSKEY. We're live on Twitch right now. If you come from TikTok, let me know. I will shout you out. I can't join your Discord. / you have to copy the link and you have to paste it in a web browser. TikTok will not allow you to just leave the app. All right, there we go. We broke all this range here. We're still short. We're up 13% right now, 14%. Big old fruit roll up. I have a nervous twitch. Does that count? Yeah, that counts. Crypto Tony, you're good to go. That certainly counts. What's your strategy? Price action. With an overheated coin. All right, so here's how I came up with, and this is what I teach on my Patreon. Patreon.com/yaboyski. So Caspa, on the bigger time frame, I'll break down like what my mindset for getting into this trade and for me trying to scalp this. Caspa on a daily time frame reached the maximum 4.236 extension, which I don't even count the 4.236 extension. I only count the 3618 because that's typically where the max goes. Caspa went all the way to the 4.36 extension. And not only did it do that, but it started doing what appears to me as Wyckoff distribution, which is how you measure the rounded top. So you have your buying climax, your automatic reaction, your secondary test, your sign of weakness, your up thrust, and then it's either working on the UTAD would be next or the last point of support. The UTAD is not necessary. That is that's the variable. You either get a UTAD or you don't. That's the variable. Everything else is the same. And what comes next after all of this is your markdown. And this is what I teach thoroughly in depth on my Patreon, but I'll give you guys a quick little lesson. So here you go. This is Wyckoff distribution, Wyckoff accumulation. This is the oversimplified version of this. And basically, the market is all about balance. It's always trying to find balance in the market where supply is greater than demand and where demand is greater than supply. So you have Wyckoff accumulation, aka your rounded bottom. You have your mark up, which aka your bull run, your Wyckoff distribution, aka your top, and your markdown, aka your bear market. And these happen over and over and over and over again. And this is like the technical on what it looks like fundamentally. And this is what I teach over on my Patreon, patreon.com/yaboyski. So right now, we know, or we assume, we theorize that Caspa is working on Wyckoff distribution, and what is next is it's going to have a markdown at a minimum to the 1618, which would bring you to about 7 cents. So I'm scalping Caspa, and on the and I'm taking profit. The last 25% of my profit, I move my stop loss down and I swing for the fences. And I've caught a couple of fences because I did the same thing with Bonk. What in the world? I did the same thing with Bonk. So I put this out. Same thing. These same type of moves. 15x leverage is not that much leverage. All right. Let's get back in this trade. Ayo. What do you think about Matic? I like Matic. Matic is solid. Pretender. I don't know, bro. I turned $10 into $493. Show me your profit statement of you doing that. Backs, VRA, Dent, any chance? Yeah, I like all of those. I don't know about Backs, but I really like VRA and Dent. Darius, thanks for subscribing on YouTube, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Team CRB is going up again. Will leather reach $30 to $100? Why? Yeah, this guy's just a hater, dude. I'm not even, I don't even claim to be a professional trader. Happy New Year. I'm just doing a challenge. I'm an investor, is what I am. How's it going? It's going good. So far, we've turned our $10 into $492. Show me the money. What's your strategy? My strategy is to scalp overvalued or undervalued coins and swing for the fences at the bottom. How much have you claimed? Like 400 and I don't know. I'm barely in this trade right now. I've moved my stop loss to profitable, so I guess $470. Yes, I do. VAI. Let me switch this song up here. Cast long. I'm short on cast right now. And we are up 13% on this short right now. Bless, brother. Can I ask what platform you use to trade on? I am using BingX. BINGX. BingX, correct. Is it still worth going in on your short in your opinion? I don't know. I'm already up 14%. How's your account going? Solid. 489. We started with 10. M, thank you for the 2024s, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Is Bitcoin going to hit the 45 mark in 2-week retrace? It's possible. Buy or sell position. I'm in a sell position. I'm shorting cash right now. How much is it to open an account on BingX? Well, I started with $10. I'm not sure what the minimum is, but I know you can start one for $10. Should I copy trade from $400? You can do whatever your heart desires. I'm not a professional trader. I don't recommend you do that. But if you wanted to, you could do so because I have copy trading set it up. I'm not a financial advisor. Can't use BingX in UK. You just need a VPN. Just set it up with a VPN and you are good to go. My take profit right now, I've moved my take profit below my entry point. So we have already guaranteed profit in this trade right now. This is our take profit. This is where we open the trade. Is it gold? This is Kaspa, KAS. Can you show your indicators? I'm doing price action. I don't really believe too much in indicators. I mean, I use the moving averages, but I don't pay too much attention to it. Hey, what up? How much you up now? $490. So we're up $480. Open to crypto collaborations. I'm very, 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 very selective on what I put my name on. Is it good to enter sell on Kaspa? I mean, I did 15% ago, 16% ago. I don't know about now. So my strategy is this. I go with value of a particular coin. If it's undervalued, in my opinion, or if it's overvalued to the extreme mark. If it's undervalued, then I will scalp long. I will look for places at the bottom of resistance and support to scalp long, and I will swing for the fences on the last 25%. If it is overvalued, like in the case of Kaspa, which I believe to be very, very overvalued on a bigger time frame, then I am now scalping this to the bottom. And I'm just waiting for ranges. So, like, it's just shown me a nice little range here, and I'm just scalping it. And at the bottom, 25%, I swing for the fences. That's the strategy. Which time frame? I zoom out and then now I analyze the market on a bigger time frame, but I'm trading on the 1 minute. What's the minimum for copy trading you? I have no idea. I just set it up today, yesterday. I don't even recommend you do that. But you can. What platform are you using? I'm using BingX. Uh, 10 to 10K LOL. We are 5% complete. LOL, LOL. $492. 4.92% complete in 30 days. LOL, LOL, LOL. LOL, LOL. You need to identify, verify on the platform. You need to set up a VPN. In my pinned video on TikTok, I show you how to set this up. Happy New Year. When did you start? I technically started 90 days ago, but I started really grinding about 30 days ago. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok. We're trying to get affiliated on Twitch right now. We're currently live on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch all at the same time. Do you recommend a certain VPN? Not really. I used Brave's VPN, but you can use whatever VPN you like. You just need to be when you're setting up this exchange, you have to be somewhere else because they don't like the KYC. Let's see how far you get. That you will not get even to 500. I don't know about that, bro. We're at 490, 491. You don't think we're gonna get another $9? Markets are closed. This is crypto, bro. Crypto is open 24/7. 24/8. 375. Is the market open? The market's not open, but crypto is open 24/7. Bro, it's the start of the new year. Why are you so negative, bro? That's what I'm saying, bro. Bro's already pessimistic. Day 1 of 2024. Well, I don't even think you're going to get over $500, buddy. Good luck to you. What trading platform are you using? BingX. BINGX. Link is in my bio. People always hate, bro. I know. What pair are you trading? CAS USDT. We are currently short on Casper right now. We're up 15%. If we get to 20%, we're going to take another 25%. And we're going to move our stop loss down. You have a BingX referral code? I mean, just the regular one. I'm not like affiliated with them. It's the one that you can get. I think I get like 10% or something. I should be affiliated with them. What's your referral? It's in my link tree, link in my bio. You invested $10 and you're up. Yep, we are currently sitting at $491. So we're up $481 from our $10. Where's the vid? The pinned video on my TikTok. Are you selling or buying? We're currently short. We're up 10% right now. We opened up here. We've moved our stop loss below where we opened. We've already exited multiple times on this particular trade. What side are you using? BingX. BINGX. You can trade as much as you want daily on crypto, right? Yep. No limits. So we're doing futures. And it's open 24/7. You could trade 300 times a day if you wanted to. I don't really recommend that, but you could. What leverage are you using? 20x. What are you on 100x? Nothing. I don't ever go above 20x. Please reply to my question. What is your question? Long or short, boss? We're currently short. We are up 10% currently. We've already taken profit and we moved our stop loss down. Do futures close automatically? They do if you tell it to. If you put a stop, like I have a stop loss right here. So the red is where I entered, and I moved my stop loss below where I entered to guarantee a profit because I've already taken profit on this trade. So if we hit this, it's automatically going to close. And my take profit is down here. If we hit this, it will automatically close. Outside of that, it will not automatically close unless I do it. Where's the best place to learn if you are a fundamental investor? Listen, I'm a fundamental investor. I have a full course on my Patreon for $9.99. I have 18 hours of lessons. And I upload every single week. What's your referral code? Signing up now. The link is in my bio. How much you made from $10? $478. Are you trading crypto? I am. Market's closed. People don't even know it's not Forex. It's not Forex. This is crypto. We're trading crypto. When you open, I opened up here on this red line right here. This is where I opened the short. We closed a little bit in here, like 25%. Indicators, not really. I'm more of a price action. How did you turn $10 into $490? My general strategy is to take something. I've been taking coins that are massively overheated, such as Bonk, Caspa. Like Bonk, here's one of the trades that I did. Massively overheated. Like Caspa, in my opinion, is massively overheated and is going to come eventually. I don't know if it's tomorrow, next week, next month, but eventually it's going to come down here to 7 cents, and it's gonna fill all this out. So what I'm doing is I'm scalping to the downside, and I'm taking profit, and the last 25%, I swing for the fences and I move my stop loss into profit like we've already done. If we make a new low here, we're going to move our stop loss again. We're going to move it to right here, and we're going to take profit again. Please, which website do you trade? Do you have a YouTube page? I do have a YouTube page. Yaboyskey, YABOYSKEY. And we are currently live right now on YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, and TikTok. Yaboyskey on all of those. The website that I'm using is BingX, BINGX. What's your favorite P&L percentage? I usually do like 80 and 20, but it just depends. Like it depends on like how it's moving, how volatile it is. How long did it take you to grow the $10? About 30 days of grinding. Technically, I've been doing the challenge for 90 days, but I wasn't really grinding in the beginning because it's kind of, you know, it's frustrating, like having a 20% gain for like a dollar or whatever, you know. But so I wasn't really grinding on it until I got above $100, and then I really started grinding. How many minutes are you trading? We're gonna be trading maybe for like another hour or two. Really, I'm just riding this win right now. We're currently up 12%. We're just riding this. We're going to see if we can really break this. 30 days, 10 USD to 490 is a big achievement, to be honest. Thanks, bro. How profit earned today? We're up like $100 today. Well, in the last 24 hours, we've been shorting. Caspa. What do you think about SPY tomorrow? I have not looked at SPY. in over a week. Your camera is off. I did not know that. Thank you for letting me know. Ah, thanks for letting me know. It's because my phone died. We'll get it back up. Beginners on YouTube. Yes, I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. And I have a full course on my Patreon. Patreon.com/yaboyski. I have 18 hours of lessons. Long or short. We're currently short right now. Do you think Caspar will ever recover? Yeah, for sure. Nothing goes down in a straight line. And it doesn't even mean that it's bad. It just means it's overbought at this point. All right, we're going to let my phone turn back on. I'm going to use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Let's get this camera back on. Get this camera back on. All right. There we go. All right. There we go. We're back. All right. Where am I? What are you trading? We're currently trading Caspa. We are short on Caspa. We're up 10%. We're giving this thing a chance to really break to the downside. We've already taken profit multiple times here. Do you think the reason is going lower after emission in 5 days? I think the reason it's going lower is because it reached the maximum parabolic level and it went on a 20x. That's why. You know, nothing really outside of that. It was 94 on the RSI. I have no like news. Just overheated. That's all. What cryptos top 50 do you think will do well with the spot ETF Bitcoin happening? Probably XRP. That's the only one off the top of my head. Please, do you need a VPN? Yes. Well, not when you trade, just to set it up though. My pinned video on TikTok shows you how to set this up. XRP is a Ponzi. So is the US dollar. Literally, there's a pyramid right on it, bro. But we just use it all willy-nilly. Can you check out AVAX? Both are. ADA. Yeah, they're like, crypto's a pyramid scheme, bro, says the US dollar. Says the US dollar. Where's your course? Patreon.com/yaboyski. The link is also in my bio. It is $9.99 for the price of a cup of coffee at Starbucks. You buy me a cup of coffee and I give you 18 hours of lessons. And every time I buy or sell outside of my normal dollar cost average, I let you know. Why don't I use Binance instead? Because I like BingX. No real reason. 2 raw price action. I'm not a candle. I just use these candles because that's what I've always used. But I'm not a candle. I don't trade candle patterns. That's not what I do. TechWise, thank you for the $2 donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
How does a mission schedule affect price? Listen, bro, I don't know how long you've been following me. I appreciate the donation, but I've been very consistent on my stance for a very long time. When I say, like, show me the charts, I will tell you the news, I believe that in my bones. Like, I don't just say that. It's not just something fun that I say. Like, I really believe that. I believe that, you're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. That's my, that everything's all coded. I say all that to say the narratives are irrelevant to me. Like, I'm just looking at TA. Why over normal candles? Just because that's what I was taught on, and that's what I've always used. Anything will work, honestly. Any candle will work for you. But the idea is you need to figure out what works for you and just stick with that. Don't get shiny object syndrome and try this indicator, this indicator, this indicator, this indicator, or this candle, this candle, this candle, this. Pick something that works for you and stick with it. Any names for us to look for in 2024? Your boy Ski. How much can Chlor AI go? I have no idea. No level 3 tape reading. Can't do leverage in UK. You can with the VPN. Is it hard to cash out money from crypto? Listen, I own real estate, I own gold, I own silver, I own stocks, and I own crypto. And I can tell you, and I have cash. And I can tell you, the one that is the most liquid is cryptocurrency. If I need it in my bank account, it is a touch of a button on my phone. The most liquid asset known to man. I can have it from a hard storage wallet to my bank account within a matter of 2 minutes. Options are more liquid. Not really, bro. That's not real money. What exchange you use? I use a bunch of exchanges. The one that I'm trading on right now is BingX. Why Ledger use Tandem? It's an and world, not an or world for me, brother. Any names looking for 2024? Your boy Ski. Tether and Ledger for me. How much you made on this? We started with $10, so we're up $475. All right. Yeah. All right, bro. Just say you don't know nothing. How about that? When did you start? About 90 days ago. We started like actually grinding really hard about 30 days ago. So how do I explain people I do crypto? Like if I want to build something from that money. explain to people you do crypto. In what way? Like explain to people that you do crypto in that this is the money that you accept. Is that what you mean? Or explain to people that you're building a business off of this. Like, clarify your question a little bit more. Can you do calls and puts like you do in the regular market? Yes. It's just longs and shorts though. We're doing futures. $10 to $4.75. That's right. $4.83. $473. But we're about to get stopped out, so we're gonna lose a little bit here. Maybe we get stopped out. But we moved our take profit down into we moved our stop loss into a take profit. No, I'm saying it wrong. We moved our stop loss into an automatic profit because we already took profit multiple times. Do you try to hold futures for months? No. You can, but that's not what I'm doing. What are your top 3 for the next bull run? Bitcoin, XRP. I'll give you a low market. I like DNX. TechWise, thank you for the $5 donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Thank you for the response. I'm really new to crypto. So you're saying TA to news or narratives? Yes, that's what I'm saying. And not just crypto, too. The stock market as well. Like, you have to understand who's in charge of the news. You know, like there's a bigger game that's at play, right? The game is the whales. They want to basically steal your liquidity. And they do this with fear. And they do this with greed. So typically, like if I were to zoom out, like all of the greedy narratives, like I already tweeted it. Like I think that, let's scroll up a little bit. Like I already tweeted this. Hold on. Let's scroll down. Here we go. Bitcoin ETF being approved will mark the top of the rally and an epic bull trap. When everyone thinks it's going to go higher, it's not. So right here, Coinbase IPO'd. Everyone thought it was going to go higher. Everyone thought it was going to 100K. Everyone thought it was going higher. Coinbase IPO'd at the top. Right here. FTX went to 0 at the bottom. Everybody said it was going lower. They use these scary narratives to shake you at the bottom and at the top. Just as much as greed is at, or just as much as fear is at the bottom, greed is at the top. And they always use narratives to make you think otherwise. But yes, like news narratives is a very, very lagging indicator. Like, okay, so here's all the narratives off the top of my head, okay? So I'm looking at Bitcoin right now because I don't think we're in a trade anymore. So FTX collapse, went to 0 at the bottom. Okay, this local bottom right here, Silicon Valley went to 0. Everyone thought it was going lower. This was a local bottom. There was another bank that collapsed. This one was the war in Israel. Everyone said it was going lower. Like right at the bottom. And then probably what's going to happen is we're going to go to here and the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved. Everyone's going to think that the bull market's going to start. And then we're going to backtest all of this at 35K. So when I say show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Like I really believe that. Oh, we're still in a trade. We're good. Do you think Casper will fall from here? It could do another top. It certainly could. Because in Wyckoff method, which is the main thing that I analyze the market, it could do a UTAD. A UTAD is it's a spring, like a reverse spring. And this would be a new high even. But this is optional. It doesn't always happen. Okay, so the LPS, the buying climax, these will happen. The UTAD is optional. So there's a possibility that we come up here to the 4.236 extension again. Is this Bitcoin or ETH? We're looking at Caspa. Is your course the Patreon? Yes, the $9.99 membership. What is the strategy? The strategy is taking overheated coins such as Caspa, scalping them, shorting them, scalping them, and the last 25% swinging for the fences for the big move. ICP is a beast. I would wait on just wait for a pullback on ICP, bro. Not financial advice. There's so much to learn. There is so much to learn. It's not easy. If it were easy, everyone would do it. 99% of people are better off just dollar cost averaging. What do you think is the best 99 membership for what? For my Patreon, I have 18 hours of lessons. And you can support all the work that I do. What time frame are you using? I'm trading on the 1 minute, but I analyze the market on the daily, the 30 minute, and the 4 hour. Can you make your screen bigger? Okay. ET trading for 99 membership. Yep. Trading and investing. How I analyze the markets. Where do I join the membership? Patreon.com/yaboyski, YABOYSKEY. Also, the link is in my membership. The link is in my description. Jesus. By the way, guys, there's a lot of scammers. I don't have a Telegram. I don't have like a robot trader indicators. I'm never going to message you. I'll message you back if you message me, but I'm never going to message you first. If someone messages you first and says join the Telegram, those are scammers. Please report them. What are you trading? We're trading CAS. TechWise, thank you for the $5 donation, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Not financial advice. Would you hold off on buying more Caspa right now? Listen, not financial advice. I would consider taking profit on Caspa right now. And I think you're going to have a great buying opportunity at about 8 cents, conservatively. Which scalping strategy is okay? Just price action. Do you have a Discord? I do. You should be able to find it on the like bio of my channel on YouTube. What's up, boy ski? The Lord of the Board, best TA there is. Thank you, Chad. I appreciate you, you savage. The Lord of the Board. Could you explain swinging for the fences a bit, please? Yeah, sure. Okay, so basically, depending on like price action, I'll take 25% at about 10% or 20%, depending on how much it's moving. And then I'll take another 25%, excuse me, at 25% or 50%, again, depending on how much it's moving. And I keep doing that. And the last 25% is like bonk. Like I was shorting bonk. I took 25%, 25%, 25%, moved my stop losses down to where it guarantees profit, and then I let it ride. And I put my take profit at a big way like this. And like 15x leverage. That's not even that much leverage. People go 100x leverage on this stuff. 15x leverage is very light. And I recommend keeping it light. I do it all, and I invest myself in trading stocks for 15 years. Crypto, 6 years. Just subscribe to your Patreon. I look forward to learning. Thank you, Cameron. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
When I get done live streaming, I will. I'm gonna message you the private Discord. How do you teach how trading like this in your Patreon? I do. 18 hours of lessons, and I upload every single week. Every Thursday, I upload on the Patreon. You shorting Casper right now? I am shorting Casper right now. We've already taken profit, and we've moved our stop loss down into profit as well. You like Filecoin? I like the technology of Filecoin. I don't like the tokenomics of Filecoin. How much is this stock right now? This is not a stock. This is a cryptocurrency, but it's currently 11.2 cents. Short ICP. It's dangerous to short ICP, but it's on my radar to short. It's dangerous to short a coin in the midst of a breakout before it shows any weakness. Yes, I teach people how to trade, invest, and measure the markets. What exchange do you trade on? I'm using BingX. BINGX. Thoughts on one? I don't have any thoughts on one. Litecoin, mid. Are you shorting Casper right now? I am. Leaving a runner on them. Thank you. Yep. TRB. What's your YouTube? Yo boy ski. YABOYSKEY. All my links are in my description. We are currently live on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, and Twitter. If you guys are on Twitch, please consider following me over there. We're trying to get affiliated on Twitch. I think we're like 20 followers away right now. So you have a private Discord? I do. But hit me up. You already donated. You already donated the whole membership this live stream. I'll give it to you once you join the public one. Stock market is closed today. How are you trading? I am trading crypto. I'm not trading stocks. Crypto is open 24/7. Link is solid. All right, we got taken out of that one. All right, so currently the update is 481. We started with $10. We're at 481. We're looking to short Caspa. This looks like perhaps it's making a. We're gonna see what it wants to do, but it didn't make a lower low. So we're gonna see if it's gonna make this higher right now. We're gonna be patient right now. Wait for it to see what it wants to do. I'm not gonna revenge trade. Is Bitcoin gonna pull back? Yeah, I think so. Pretty soon. Like 35K. Any coin pulling major volume. I get greedy. Just lose it all. Greed is your enemy. Fear is your enemy. Should I send you a message after the stream to remind you about the private Discord? If you, you can if you like, but I'll remember. It shows me who became a member on Patreon. What do you think? What coin are you trading? I want to join in. We're looking to short Caspa. And I don't mind this spot right here, actually. Like, we just got shorted out here. Let's see what it does at the top of this range here. We're going to do 80, and then we're going to do What platform is this? Is Bing X. You check the 1 minute chart? Yeah, after I do a full analysis on the daily, and I'm looking at the 30-minute chart on my other screen as well. But you guys can't see that. I don't know. Can you see it? No, you can't. Yeah, you guys can't see it. Looks like this platform looks like Bybit, which is better. I use Bing X. This is Bing X. Is Bing X similar to Coinbase Advanced Trade? I've never used Coinbase Advanced Trade. I can't speak on that. Do you buy TradingView indicators or whatever platform you're using? Yeah, I have like I think I have the $30 membership on TradingView. Link to Discord. Link is in my bio. If you want my private Discord, you have to join the Patreon. The public Discord is free, though. Thanks for subscribing. World War Bitcoin and Nardo, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
On my Patreon is $9.99. It comes with 18 hours of lessons. How is it going? We are at $481. We started with $10. We're looking to short Casper right now. We're looking for signs of weakness, which perhaps we're getting. But I want to make sure that it doesn't make a new high right now. Do you think AI trading bot is legit? No, I don't. Where is Bitcoin going after ETF is approved? 35K. I'm short Matic and ADA. Yeah, I think the whole market's overheated. Doesn't mean it's bad. Like, I'm bullish on crypto, big picture, but just, you know, when you go up 200% in a straight line, how long did that take? Are you long? I'm not anything. I'm looking to short, but I'm not in a trade right now. It took me about 30 days of grinding. I've technically been doing the challenge about 90 days. Nita says, do you give call outs when you get in and when you get out here on TikTok as you are to us? On my Patreon, I put out anytime I buy or sell, but I mean, I don't recommend you copy me. That's not really, like, I'd rather teach you how to do it. Is the market open today? Nope, but crypto is open 24/7. Listen, future millionaire, I don't believe in bot trading. I don't think it's legit. You trade equities or crypto? Just crypto. There's a good chance Caspa is really overheated because of how much it pumped last year. That's right, yeah. No, like, it doesn't mean it's bad if you like Caspa. It just means that, all right, we're going to go ahead and get in this. Oh. All right, so we're short right now. I don't mind this spot. We might make a new high here, so we're going to move our stop loss. We're going to move it down a little bit here. I don't mind that spot. Yeah, it doesn't mean it's bad. It just means, like, it did a 20x while nothing else did. It just means, like, nothing goes up in a straight line forever. And it doesn't even mean that it won't make a new all-time high in 2025. It just means, like, what goes up must come down. That's it. 88 hit $5 possibility. Yeah, for sure. Cup and handle. Yeah, I'm not a patterns trader. I don't put too much weight on patterns. You start with $10 and you can make $500 out of less than 24 hours. No, not 24 hours. This took me like 30 days. And we're not even at 500. We're at 479. Yeah, this took me like 30 days. Where's your stop loss? 1143. Don't copy me. How much is the trading fee on this platform? So small that I don't even notice it. Very, very marginal. What leverage for shorts to use? I never go above 20x, but I kind of hang out at 20x. Bitcoin up or down next? It could have a finality to 48K. I don't think it's going to live there. But eventually, the bigger move, we're coming back to 35K, and we're going to hang out between 35 and 40K for about 6 months. What do I get in your Patreon? Like, what do you teach? I teach how I analyze the market, everything that I know. Over 15 books, over 18 hours of lessons, my private Discord, anytime I buy or sell outside of my normal dollar cost average, the coins that I'm looking at to take action on during the week, and a community of like-minded individuals. I upload every single week. Are you investing in any stocks? Any recommendations? I'm boring with my stocks. Very boring with stocks. Just VOO. Boring, boring, boring. What platform do you use to trade? We're using BingX. BINGX. Or take profit. 10 cents. But we're going to take profit manually at about probably like 10 or 20% here. Thanks for subscribing, Six Shooter. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get some action. Currently up about 2%. We really need to get below this right here. Watch out for scammers, guys. I'm not going to message you first. I'll message you back. If someone messages you and says about a Telegram, that's not me. I don't have a Telegram. I just created a BingX account. My man. Do you set a lot size on this platform? Say it again. Where can we buy it? Where can we buy what? Silly question, but I'm new to this. Is trading available on your phone? If so, what are your thoughts? It is available on your phone. Some people do it. You know, I just say, like, I don't know any, like, professional traders that do it. So maybe you can do it. I can't do it off my phone other than just, like, closing out of a position. Like, I can do that. But, like, analyzing, I like the computer. But it's possible on your phone. There's an app on your phone. Sologenic looking pre-SOS. I would have got under 10 cents. Can I get a quick tutorial? I just created BingX accounts. How do I set up for trading? I'm going to do a tutorial on BingX this week. But basically, you have your open longs, which would mean that you're betting that the price is going to go up. You have your open short, which means you're betting that the price is going to go down. This is the percent of your account that you're going to use per trade. I recommend staying under ideally 10%. If you have a small account, maybe 20%, but ideally really 5%, really. And then this is the leverage over here. I don't recommend going above 20x. Like, 10x is fine. But I'm going to do a full tutorial on we're short right now. How do you verify your account in the USA? You need a VPN to set it up. My pinned video on TikTok shows you how to set it up. It's like no KYC, no problem, or whatever. That's what it is. Get better odds at dog track. I don't know, bro. I turned $10 into $482 pretty systematically. How do I verify it with ID though? I never did. I mean, if you want to, I'm gonna change this song. I never did. VPN. That's right, VPN. You did that with the leverage? Yep, 20x leverage right now. We're currently at 4%. What is this? We are trading Caspa. We're currently shorting Caspa, which just means that you're betting that the price is going to go down. I make money if the price goes down when you short. You trade Forex, just crypto. So no leveraging allowed without VPN. You can, like, I'm not using a VPN right now. You just need a VPN to set it up for the first time. That's it. Once you're set up, you're good to go. You'd any training? Where do you trade? I'm using BingX. God loves you. Please repent of your sins before it's too late. You too. You do any training? Yes, on my Patreon. Patreon.com/yourboyski. Link is in my bio. For $9.99, the price of a cup of coffee at Starbucks. I have a full course, 18 hours of lessons. Referral code for BingX. You can use the one in my bio if you want. It's just like 10%. I'm not actually affiliated with them. It's the same referral code that you'll get once you set one up. Yeah, you can use it though. It's the link is in my bio. Will sell the news affect crypto market meaningful? Yeah, I think so. Like whatever Bitcoin does, the whole market's going to do to a magnitude greater. What platform would you recommend trading on? I'm using BingX. For what I'm doing for my application, I think it's the best one. There are other exchanges that are better at other things, but for what I'm personally doing, which is taking a micro account, trading $10 into $10,000, that's the goal. This is the best one for small accounts. All markets are closed today. What are you trading? We're trading crypto, bro. Crypto is open 24/7. You are correct. Stocks, Forex, everything is closed today. CAS, Bitcoin, XRP is open 24/7. 365. Mexi makes you use a VPN and repent for your sins. You think ADA will go up eventually? What indicators you recommend? I'm not a huge indicators guy. I mean, I do Wyckoff method, like, but that's a bigger time frame. But just like when you're actually trading, I just do price action. Can I use this in Canada? Yes, you just need to set it up with a VPN. Long or short? I'm currently short right now. We're up 3.8% on this short. What's the current fastest horse outperformer now? What are you talking about? The link to your Patreon to the Discord is expired. That's the public Discord. I'll update that. But I'll update that after this stream. Sometimes you have to copy and paste it though. TikTok won't allow you to leave, but that's not the same Discord for the Patreon. Once you join the Patreon, I will send you the private Discord. What percent are you in profit? We're 483 is the total account. We on this particular trade we're up 4.42% right now. So I heard a rumor you were in the Army. Tell me about your service. I was in the Army. It was the best, worst time of my life. Yeah, bro, it's just a challenge. It's just a challenge. I can't wait for your content, bro. Do you need a VPN to set up? Yes. Which peer is that? Take profit. We're going to take a little bit manually at 10%. But the, like, this is our actual one. He had an artist named Your Boy Ski. How do you set up a VPN? In my pinned video, no KYC, no problem. I show you how to set this up. With a volume tracker. Maybe. Maybe not. How do I know if there's enough volume to move the price fast? I mean, I guess just by looking at the volume. I'm not a volume guy, though. Any ideas what happened to TRB yesterday? TRB hit the maximum 4.236 extension. That's what happens after you hit the 4.236 extension. That's why I'm shorting Casper right now. When should I buy Bitcoin? Every single week. If you're looking for the accumulation price, 35K. Do you always just short? No, I don't. I just look for value. Right now, right now, I think the whole market is pretty much overheated. Do you use Fibonacci? I do. So, like, I analyze the market on a bigger time frame. Like, to me, Caspa is way overheated on a big time frame, and I'm scalping this, trying to catch the bigger move to the downside. The market is closed. The market is closed, but we're trading crypto, which is open 24/7. This isn't Forex. This isn't stocks. This isn't options. This is cryptocurrency, which is open 24/7. Where can I learn Fib? I have lessons on my Patreon. I have full Fibonacci lessons. I have full Wyckoff lessons. 18 hours of lessons. What time frame for you? I'm trading on the 1 minute, but I analyze the market on a bigger time frame. What is crypto? It's magic internet money, just like the US dollar. What crypto are you trading? We're trading Caspa. I have shorted where you did as well without the bigger scale. At this point, you should put in the little market is closed. Repent for your sins. Yeah. The market is closed. I shall repent for my sins for not trading stocks. Magic internet money, just like the US dollar. Bitcoin is magic internet money that is real because you and I agree that it is real. The US dollar is magic internet money that is real because you and I agree that it is real. It is no different. There's nothing backing the US dollar. There's nothing backing the British pound. It is real because of your belief that it is real. Is it good to buy Caspa now? Well, I'm shorting it, so I'm betting my money that it's not good to buy Caspa right now. But I've had 26 losing days, so who knows? What software you need to the graph? This comes with BingX. Can you go over your trade plan? I'm just taking value. Whether I think it's overvalued, we're going to take about 25% here. Whether I think it's overvalued or undervalued, we're going to move our stop loss down a little bit. Stuff that's very much overvalued or undervalued. And in this particular case, I think that Caspa is very overvalued, and it has hit the full maximum parabolic 4.236 extension and is working on Wyckoff distribution. And what is after Wyckoff distribution is a mark down, aka coming back here to 7 cents. And so I'm scalping Caspa, taking profit. And the last 25%, I swing for the fences, trying to catch this bigger move, which I did the same thing using Bonk and caught a big move, only using 15x leverage. That's the general strategy. I'm not a professional trader. This is a challenge. I am a content creator. I'm an investor. I'm doing this for fun. We've taken $10 and we've turned it into $485. What's your all-time P and L on this account? We're up $476. Can you option trade crypto? Even better, you can future trade crypto, which you don't have Theta. Theta is the devil. And Theta, you must repent for your sins for using Theta. Theta is the devil. Futures, you don't have Theta. You're either right or you're wrong. There's no like, you have to be right, but more than the market anticipates it's right. And you also have to be right within a certain time frame because it decays your value of your No, you're either right or you're wrong. That's it. All right, we're up 13%. How do you do what you're doing? I'm using BingX. BingX. Can you explain how to do this? Stop loss, etc. I'm going to set up a tutorial on how to use BingX this week. We'll probably do that on Tuesday. Can you teach me this? Stocks are terrible. In my Patreon, patreon.com/yourboyski, I have a full course, 18 hours of lessons, and I upload every single week for $9.99. For the price of a cup of coffee at Starbucks, you will gain access to all of the knowledge that I have, helpful books that have helped me, and more. I'm so confused. What are you confused about, James? How much do you need to start trading? I started this account with $10. By the way, I recommend that 99% of people don't trade and they just dollar cost average instead. Can you give the link? Patreon.com/yourboyski. The link is in my bio. What's your current profit? $476. So if I just buy the Patreon for 1 month, I will have access to videos. Yep. It's a subscription, but you can cancel if you like. But I upload every single week, and you get access to the private Discord, which has like-minded individuals, and we take requests on in-depth TA for whatever coins you guys want. Referral code to BingX Yeah, you can use it. It's just the same one that you get. I'm not technically affiliated with them, but it's in my bio. Link is in my bio. Where do I find a Patreon? You can either search up patreon.com/yourboyski, or you can go on my bio and you will find it. You will find the link to my Patreon under my link tree. How many trades did you take since started with $10? Oh, I don't know. Probably like 400 or 500, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna take 25% here. Imagine if you put 10K on that one trade. 10K. Nah, we're not there yet. We're at $486. We are 4.8% of the way there. Is welcome to new people that don't know. Yeah, they very solid community. I mean, you have to understand, people are like, they're paying money. Yeah, they're like-minded individuals. Most of them are investors. Some are traders. But we're all just trying to be better at financial freedom. How much did you risk in that trade? We did about 10%, maybe 12%. This is a small account. Ideally, you would do 5% or less. Ideally, you would do 1% or less, but, trying to grow it, I'm using more margin. CAS is going up. Well, I'm up 12% by betting that it's going down right now. So, maybe. And I made $100 yesterday betting that it was going down. So you leveraged $40 or your stop loss was $40. Yeah, so currently we've already taken 25% and 25%, but we currently still have $628 worth of value, including the 20x leverage that we took. Still in this trade. Do you have a Discord? I do, and it comes with the Patreon. Once you sign up for the Patreon, I'll message you the private Discord. There's a public Discord that you can use as well. Can we copy your trades? I don't recommend it, but you can. I'm just your boy Ski. Copy trading. I just signed up yesterday. I don't know anything about it. Here you go. This is me. Just signed up yesterday for the copy trading. I don't recommend it, but you can if you like. I am an investor. This is a challenge. This is for fun. What's it called you're doing right now? We are day trading. We are trading perpetual futures. What are BingX fees? They are extremely low. They are so low that I don't even know what they are. And I'm very aware of fees. Is this like placing a put in regular options trade? Yes, it is, except for you don't have theta. It's just like that. So if I open a long, that would be like a call option. And if I open a short, that would be like a put option. Except there's no theta. You're either right or you're wrong. Ratish Gaming says, hi, what up, bro? Happy New Year, fam. Will Bitcoin go back to 41.9? For sure, at some point. What up, brother? At some point in time. What's your thoughts on ICP? I think it's solid coin. I think it's a bit overheated. I just have hard with ADHD. Get you a notebook, James. Write down how you're feeling about stuff. You need to explain funding rate, though. I'm not. This is my own money. I used $10. I started this with $10. Price prediction for ETH 2025. I think it's gonna hit about 10K. Do you have any classes? I do. Patreon.com/yaboyski. Link is in my bio, in my link tree. $9.99 for my full course. Yeah, I would consider taking profit on in XRA. You plan on shorting Bitcoin? Probably not. I'm probably just going to short the other coins because whatever Bitcoin does, the other coins are going to do at an amplified rate. How much money do you have now? We are at $487. We started with $10. Thoughts on Gala? Gala solid. Yeah. What's your price for Myra? I don't know off the top of my head. AVAX is on my radar. What do you think about Galaxy Fox? I don't think about it. What strategy you use? I scalp, but generally way overheated coins or underheated coins, and I'm looking for the bigger move to the downside. I scalp it, take profit, the last 25% I swing for the fences, and I move my stop losses to a guaranteed profit. That's my strategy. Just price action. What are the odds of the ETF approved this week, my guy? It probably, I think the 10th is when it gets approved. What broker are you using? BingX. BINGX. GM started, good morning, started the year off right. Let's get it, bro. Happy New Year. Cash should crack 12 cents today. I hope not. We're at 11 cents right now. And I'm short. Maybe. You have Discord? I do. I have two. I have a public Discord. Link is in my bio. And I have a private Discord that comes with my Patreon. I did have a mentor. But there's no substitute for you yourself putting in the hard work, being very disciplined, having a journal. I can teach you everything in the world, but I'm not going to sit here and promise you the moon and the stars. There is no substitute for hard work. There's no trading bot. There's no secret indicator. There's no awesome algorithm. It doesn't work that way. It's hard work and discipline and patience. Consistency. What time frame? We measured the market on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the 2 hour, the 30 minute, but we are trading, we are scalping on the 1 minute. This is not BTC, this is Kaspa, KAS. Is there a VPN recommend? I used Braves, but you could use whatever you like. You just need to set it up one time. You don't need to like continuously use one. Wendy, my linked video is no KYC, no problem. That shows you how to set this up. So we're buying the dip now for CAS. I'm shorting CAS. I am currently up 14% on my short, betting that Kaspa will go down in price. Appreciate you answering me and giving me your time, brother. No problem, bro. Thanks for your support. And by the Jesus. By the way, if you guys want to support me, you can do so on Twitch, on YouTube. You can follow me there. We're trying to get affiliated on Twitch. I think we need like 20 more followers on there. So if you guys have a Twitch, you could follow me over there. If you want to support the work that I do and get access to my full course, you can do so on my patreon.com/yaboyski. I have 18 hours of lessons for the price of a cup of coffee. $9.99. The price of the cup of coffee at Starbucks. Most people charge like $500 for their course. Not me. $9.99. Plus, I give away a lot of great information for free, so you could just follow me and just ask me questions. he could just ask me questions. Thanks for setting this up. Wish me luck. Good luck, Wendy. Wendy, by the way, 99% of people are better off dollar cost averaging, just buying a little bit each and every week. Here, coffee is $1. Well, Starbucks coffee is way overpriced, so we're going off of the Starbucks coffee. Sorry. But again, most people charge like $500 for a course, or $300. I charge $9.99. And really, it's just because like I'd rather give you something instead of you tipping me. I'd rather give something of value to you. I don't know if that makes sense. TRB USDT. This is CAS, KAS. We are currently short. We're up 15% on the short right now. How come BingX is restricted? Because it's KYC. But my pin video, no KYC, no problem, shows you how to set this up. All you need is a VPN. But I have a video to show you how to set this up. Happy New Year's from France. Happy New Year, bro. What broker do you use? I'm using BingX. BINGX. How long does it take to cancel the short? I mean, I could close it out right now if I wanted to. Here, let's close 20. Let's close 33%. Boom, it's closed. Now we're only $400 in this trade. Very quick. What are you trading, boss? We're trading Kaspa, KAS. We are currently short on Kaspa. We're up 15%. We're mostly out of this trade already. We're going to let the last little bit ride. And we might add to our position. But I feel good. But we would add to it up here. How much for the Discord? I have a free Discord. My Discord is free. If you want access to my private Discord, it's the Patreon membership. That's $9.99. But there's I think there's 1,400 people in my free Discord. It's because I host fights on there. Most people are there from that. Or like I host pay-per-view stuff on there. How much did you start with? I started with $10. You day trading? I am day trading. We're currently short on Kaspa right now. We started with $10 and we're up to $487. What's a private Discord? Is there signals? I'm not really a signals guy, but there are. It's a full course. But I do tell you like what coins I have my radar on for which way. But I have 18 hours of lessons. Books. There's over 15 books on there. Access to my portfolio anytime that I buy or sell outside of my normal dollar cost average. But really, I want to teach you how to fish, not just give you a fish. Are dividend stocks worth investing? It's a slow grind, but it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle to financial freedom. It's not the vehicle necessarily. How long and what's your leverage, bro? This took me about 30 days of grinding. It took me 90 days actually, but about the last 30 days I was grinding, and I never go above 20x leverage. I'm doing cash covered stock puts, so I should be able to do it from Cali for $9.99. Worth it. Yeah, no, like futures are way better than trading options. Exponentially better. What do you think about the ETF? I think the ETF will mark the top of the rally. Now it's time to make the title. We are trading Kaspa, shorting the markets. Close. Please repent for your sins. What broker do you use? BingX. BINGX. This worth to short this coin right now? I would wait for a pullback. I'm already up 19%. I mean, you could, when did you start the challenge? I started the challenge 90 days ago. I started grinding the challenge about 30 days ago. We're up 26% on this trade right now. We're mostly out of this trade. but we're just letting it ride right now. We're swinging for the fences. Is it available in the Australia? It is if you use a VPN. Do you think the Bitcoin rally is over? I think the Bitcoin rally is coming near its close. Bing, B-I-N-G, Bing, Bravo, India, November, Golf, X-ray. 19% of $10 trade. That means $2 profit. No, bro, I started this 90 days ago. We are $489 now. On this trade, we're up $5, but we're mostly already out of this trade. How do you feel about crypto in general? I'm bullish on crypto in the long term, but I just think that we're overheated right at this moment in time. It says, I get how much taxes we'll have to pay. 10,000 after the challenge. Yeah, pretty much. It would be 2,000 technically, if I was successful. Lola, thanks for subscribing, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
For deposit, it's wanting me to buy crypto XRP. Just send in XRP. I just sent in XRP from like Coinbase. XRP is so cheap to use, which is why it's going to be the winner. Thoughts on 88 will go to $4? I think so. Do you feel Solana or Ethereum is worth it? I think Solana is very overheated. Solana is on my list of coins that I have on my radar to short. What crypto should I buy in 2024? You can't go wrong with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be here. There's the only one that will be here 20 years from now for sure. BingX still allows US traders. If you set it up with a VPN, it does. I think you can finish the challenge in the next 2 months. That'd be dope. That would be really cool. I don't think BlackRock will enter on this price. What's your opinion? BlackRock entered on 50. You're correct. BlackRock entered at $15,000, 500. BlackRock is the reason that FTX went to zero. You are correct that BlackRock is not going to enter on this price because they have already entered at $15,000. You are 100% correct. Thoughts on current ICP? ICP is a solid coin. It's overheated at the moment. Thoughts on Dogecoin? I'm not against gambling. Do you have blue chip stocks? I just buy ETFs for stocks. My stock investments are boring. What's your most favorite cryptos that you will continue to invest in 2024? Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant. That's my top 4. I hate this song. Do you only trade top 100? I just trade whatever I think is overheated. I was trading Bonk for a while. Or undervalued. Sell the news. That's right. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Close it. We already closed most of it. We're like 80% out of this trade. You think the U.S. government and the SEC too against crypto? No, loaded question. Like, they can do whatever they like. They know what time it is. You know what I mean? There was a moment in time where the U.S. government could have shut down Bitcoin. That would have been maybe like 2013. But it's too late now. There's nothing that they can do. Which is why they're getting on board. That's why all the ETFs are coming into play. It's too big. It's too powerful. If they stopped it, they would cut themselves out of the pie, which they do not want to do. So they are slicing themselves a piece of the pie, and they're going to try to front run it at this point. What percentage of your portfolio you trade? Less than 10%. And this is a separate thing that I started with $10. 90% of my portfolio is just dollar cost averaging. What challenge are you doing? We're doing $10. We're trading $10 to $10,000. We're currently at $489. How could they have stopped Bitcoin? When they could have stopped it with, like in 2013, when the market cap was much lower than it is now. But they didn't. It's way too late now. There's no one in the world, there's no person, entity, government, business, corporation that could stop Bitcoin more than for 10 minutes. Do you have to pay for a VPN membership? You can do the 7-day free trial. You only need to set it up one time. Indicators. I like Wyckoff. I'm not a huge indicator person. I mean, I used the stochastic RSI and the moving averages. I'm really doing price action, though. London Foodie, thank you for the roses. T-Rex, thank you for the heart, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What leverage percent do you use to trade? No more than 20x. Which I pretty much hang out at 20x. If I have like a really big win or like or a big loss, then I'll back off on the leverage to like 10%, but generally I hang out about 20%. The video for the VPN on your Discord, it's my pin video. No KYC, no problem. It's my pin video on TikTok. I show you how to set this up. You could use any VPN you like. I show you how to use the Brave web browser's VPN. But you could use whatever one you like. It doesn't matter. Thank you for your knowledge. Thanks for your support. What's your take on meme coin? I'm not against gambling, but I wouldn't put it in the same class as, Bitcoin or, a fundamental coin. I think it's like, if you want to gamble, it's fine, but you should use less than, 1 maximum 2% of your portfolio for that kind of stuff. If you want to have some venture capital for gambling, then on like meme coins, and that's fine, but you should have like a solid 70-80% fundamental bag. The best strategy to use for 99% of people is just dollar cost average. Just buy a little bit each and every week. I'm doing price action for trading, but even me, 90% of my portfolio is just accumulation. 10% of my portfolio is for trading, and this is a separate portfolio that I'm doing $10 to $10,000. Do you trade on Discord? On my private Discord, which comes with my Patreon, patreon.com/yaboyski. It's $9.99. I upload every single week, and we're going to be doing exclusive live streams trading on Patreon as well, and Discord. What are you trading? I'm trading CAS, K-A-S. What is the moment to sell Filecoin? I haven't looked at Filecoin. Caspa, that's right. I'm thinking about buying AVAX at $39. What's your thoughts? I haven't looked at AVAX. I can't give you a solid answer for that one. I mean, I could take a quick peek, tell you if I think it's overheated or not. I don't really want to do this because then everyone's going to want me to do this. I can't do it for you. Sorry. Everyone will want me to do it. Are you long CAS? I'm short on CAS. We're up 24%. We're about 85 or 80% out of this trade. We're just swinging for the fences right now because I think that eventually CAS was going to go to 7 or 8 cents. And so I'm scalping it and trying to catch that bigger move. How much did you make so far? We are up, so $489. So we started with $10, so $479. That's what we made. In Casper for 20x short as well. Yeah, I'm mostly out of this trade because I opened the trade up here, as you can see. The red dotted line is where I opened the trade. and we're up 26%. How can I use BingX if it won't let me because of my region? You need a VPN. So James, my pin video on TikTok says no KYC, no problem. That shows you how to set this up in the United States or wherever you're at that won't allow you in your region. You just need a VPN. I bought Cast first retracement about to OB. What are you trading on the New Year day? Kaspa, KAS. It's a cryptocurrency. Do you think crypto day trading is easier than Forex and futures? For me, it is because crypto is my business. That's what I spend my life looking at the charts on crypto. Everyone is different, but what I advise you to do, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I would recommend you do is find whatever it is that is your edge and stick with that. Don't get like, shiny object syndrome and like, oh, he made a 20x here and this indicator and that. Just figure out what works for you and just hone in on that. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Just figure out what works for you. BingX need ID? No. How much can you get in one day? On this account, I made $100 yesterday. That's the most that I've made so far. Yep, I'm a big Wyckoff person. I love Wyckoff. This is how I measured Kaspa. I have it set up right here. Wyckoff distribution. I think that's what it's doing. It's maximum parabolic, buying climax, automatic reality, automatic reality, secondary test, sign of weakness, up thrust, and then maybe we're working on LPS. Not sure. Maybe we get a UTAD. We'll find out. But yeah, that's what I do. Is XRP US a buy now? I think XRP is a solid price. Not financial advice. I started with Forex, good as well for beginners. Yeah, like just find what your edge. Don't jump around. Don't jump around. Figure out what works for you and stick with that. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Figure out where your edge is and keep that edge sharp. Few coins to buy. Top 4 fundamental coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant. Top 5 low market cap gems: DNX, Delta November X-Ray, Sauce, Chia, Ergo, Flux, Dent. That's my favorite low markets. Cycle, Wyckoff, yeah. The whole market is doing Wyckoff SOS in my opinion. I can't find Kaspa on Coinbase. This is on BingX. I don't know if it's on Coinbase or not. Do you like NXRA? I did, but it's already in the parabolic range. So I've already taken some profit on NXRA. NXRA was in my top 5 or 7 low market caps, but I've taken a good bit of profit on NXRA. When you are adding funds, are they asking KFC? Do you say no? You just need a VPN. And then I usually add XRP. London, thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Only buy after Bitcoin correction. I buy every single week, but I have a big bag of USDT waiting to buy the correction. But I also buy every single week. You pro with Wyckoff? I mean, I guess it's the main thing that I measure the markets with. I don't know. Where do you get your pro registration? I'm not sure. What are you trading? Days are on stream. We're trading Kaspa. It's a cryptocurrency. Can you say some Coinbase coins? XRP? Quant? Yeah, XRP, Quant, Bitcoin. Bitcoin to 39K? Yeah, I think so. Could you do render short term? Render already hit its SOS. It's probably going to backtest the prior range. What is Wyckoff? This is what I teach on my Patreon. Wyckoff It just measures the market. So this is like over 100 years old. Here's a quick little preview on what's on my Patreon. Okay, so this is a oversimplified version of Wyckoff distribution and accumulation. So you have accumulation, aka your bottom. You have your markup, aka your bull run. You have distribution, aka your top, and then you have your markdown, aka your bear market. And it's all about balance. The market is constantly trying to find balance in the market. And even like if you turn this sideways, it looks exactly like the yin yang sign because it's all about balance, right? And so here's the technical on what it looks like. But yeah, this is just how markets are measured. And this is over 100 years old. I did not invent this. This was invented by Richard Wyckoff, born 1873. So over 100 years old, it still is effective today. I think it's, as far as technically measuring the markets, I think it's the truth. I think it's the closest thing to the truth that you can get. But that's my opinion. What about Shibcoin? It's fine. AZIZ, thanks for the rose and the TikToks, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What up, Jabrowski? What are you gonna do? We're trading Caspa right now. We're currently shorting Caspa. We're mostly out of the trade. We're just giving it a chance to really break to the bottom. Wyckoff is king. I agree. Wyckoff and Fibonacci's to me are the most truth out of technical analysts. You find it on every time frame. I think my little one, T-Rex. Thanks for becoming a subscriber on TikTok, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I appreciate your support. What days and time? Okay, so we're trading about this time. And we're about to end this stream pretty soon. But Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we're going to be doing the day trading challenge. Day trading $10 to $10,000 challenge. Sundays, we are live streaming, but that's just a general hangout, price prediction, answering crypto questions, not trading. Where are Wyckoff on Bitcoin? It's working on the SOS, in my opinion. Just like the whole market is either pre-SOS or about to make its SOS. Why don't you make trend lines? I mean, I'm not a big indicator guy, to be honest. They're fine. Like I see it in my head. I have trends on my other chart, on the 30-minute chart. How much you got now? $488. All right, guys. We're going to be live on Wednesday about 7 a.m. Eastern or Central Time. We're gonna cut this here. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. We're trying to get affiliated over there. We need about 20 more followers over there. So if you don't mind supporting, if you want to learn how to do all of this, I have a full course on my Patreon. There are lots of scammers. So check it out. I am not going to message you. Unless you message me, I'll message you back. But I'm not going to message you first. That is a scammer. I don't have a Telegram. I don't have some algorithmic trading. I don't believe in any of that. That's a scam. Report those low-life, vile scumbags. If you want to learn how to do what I do, Patreon, link is in the description. $9.99. I have a full course, 18 hours of lessons. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. Have a great 2024. God first, God bless. I'm out.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
Hit your
hustling.
boy.